attitude is driven by expectations. That's why my son and my daughter studied very well in UP and became active in the organization because I gave them an expectation that when they graduate, my expectation is they will graduate both with honors and become president of the respective organization. Expectation is driven by your own personal belief. And belief is based on your thoughts and feelings. So, the performance need to change. That's because you need to change the behavior of people. But behavior can only change when you change the attitude, expectation, and belief. Now, motivation, yung mga external motivation, ang mga ginahatag ng mga incentive sa developer. These are short-term behavioral changes. Short-term. They're not going to create a life that you want. Short-term na naman though, ang baligya ka, may kasi masunod ka man sa iya, kaya din-motivate ka niya, pero makatapos siya, okay na it did not build who you are. Kasi it was not based on beliefs and principles. Din maligya ko, isang puta kayo, may incentive mo. Nangin maligya ko nga produkto sa iya, sa buyer mo. You don't even know it's the right product, okay? Pero yung push mo, kaya may incentive. Pagkatapos ng liga, tamo reklamo. Kasi niya, hindi ko happy sa aking baligya. So, pinampal ko, pero if you want to sell, based on principle, sell not based on incentive, based on what is right and fair for the buyer, based on his needs. Ang incentive niya kagang commission, consequence lang na hindi ka. And so most real estate organizations are not stable. Kasi po short-term ang pag-iisip. Gala, sa tao, kaya baligya mo na isumawin na incentive mo, boss, dali naman kayo na incentive. Why principle? Dapat kung mabaligya ka 5 produkto, isa ka customer, ilatag mo lahat. Yung produkto, siya mapili, kung mag-discuss ka mo, based sa iya need, kung anong kinanglan niya, kaya kung mapapal niya, eksakto, makabalik ka sa iya need, kasi okay, o namin, kinibaligyan mo sa ako. Naman, bakal ka naman, may integridad ka naman. At yung finding ko sa maraming real estate companies sa Iloilo, most of them are all incentive driven, not principle driven. The right principle to sell is to sell a product, regardless of the incentive, the product that is right for the customer. Hindi itong gintulod mo, kaya mo siya may incentive. And so organizations here are not stable kasi hindi siya principle-based. Incentive-based. Incentive of developers are all to manipulate you. To give you a short-term, pinainom ka niya sa energy na kada mo sa mga gibaligya mo, hindi ka nakabalik sa buyer, nahuya ka. Kaya ito, sa totoo lang, hindi talaga yung dapat na binenta mo sa kanya kasi iba ang need niya. Hindi mo na inintindi niya importansya kung maligya ka kayo na incentive. So if you want your organization long-term to be stable and good and great, be driven by principle. And principle number 1 is you sell products that's fair and right. Regardless of the incentive, itaran man niya mag-develop na incentive, na may commission na yan. Gadalagan, ang organization mo, gadalagan, kaya baligyan mo yung incentive. Ang tao ka nasa kung na eksakto kung baligyan. You did not train him to become successful long-term based on principle because you taught him to make shortcut ways of doing it kasi may incentive siya. And I noticed, I said, maybe that's the reason why most magulo ng organization. So sa parang sinasabi mo, it's time for organizations like you ba, o Kamularawan, it's time that you identify what are the 4 to 5, 6 basic principles that will guide you on people. Ano ba ang prinsipyo natin sa mga empleyado o sa tao natin? Diba? The principle should be that every person in this company matters to you. And that's important.
Yeah.
Parang sinasabi mo, individually we're great, but the principle is that, remember, collectively we're awesome. Wow! What principle? In other words, importante ang tao, pero importante man ang bilog ng karmo. So you try to manage that. Maybe the principle you have for client is you should not become incentive driven, but we should be driven by what is right for that client. Kasi kada client, may dada pinanglan niya. Di ko di ka masumangkot kung anong pinanglan niya. Kaya hindi ko siya magdala ka ng damo o produkto. Kaya so it's actually good for your strategy na damo ka mo. Okay? Ang importante, kung 5 na naligyan mo, ang ibaligyan mo siya, hindi yung incentive mo din. Ano yung eksakto sa linya? At the end of the day, may kita ka mo niya. But most developer, to be honest, they all manipulate sales. Tingnan hindi kami flavor of the month. Kung ako ang tawag na nasa, sinabi ko eksakto siya. Is, do I sell just based on incentive or should I sell based on what my customer require? Kasi kung ginbaligyan ko sa kliyente ko eksakto para sa iyan na produkto, makabalik ako, ay happy siya mo. Tindahan mo, nagkabaligyan na hindi na makabalik sa customer. Actually, at the end, sarap ang mas customer. May classmates ako din sa high school na nagpapal sa mga hindi lang pagkabalo, hindi lang produkto, ang bala sa aking pamilya. Wow, kaantos kami din.